Hey everyone, this is Keith Scott from out in Sydney, Australia. I'm one of the voices of Bullwinkle J. Moose. It's time to watch Relentless and Unstoppable. And so give it up for your main hosts, Douglas Kenny and Andy McPhee.
Hey everybody, this is Doug Kenny and welcome to Relentless and Unstoppable. We have another amazing guest coming on the channel today, so please hit like and subscribe. And after this episode, please stay tuned to the RNU channel for more amazing guests. Let's get this on!
Hey everybody, how you doing? Just a quick little share of why I started Relentless and Unstoppable. It was for one very simple reason, because of Doug Kenny. Nothing to do with me at all, zero. I was just coaching Doug, and he took on the coaching and mentoring, and he made all the changes. He took all the suggestions from his parents as well as my coaching, but it was all about Doug, his breakthrough and his weight loss, his willingness to accept that he is dealing with high functioning autism and other issues, but he's never quit, he's never given up. So we did one interview with him to share his story, and then we decided to start interviewing other people. And Doug has now taken over the whole channel, and he does all the interviews, he runs everything. He's just an amazing young man. So RNU was born from simply what an amazing young man Doug is, and his story needed to be shared.
Hey everybody, this is Doug Kenny from Relentless and Unstoppable, and today we have my buddy Zachery with us. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing good. What have you been up to these days?
You see what's behind me?
Yep.
This is what I do. Now wearing this shirt.
Yep, you're a Rubik's Cube fanatic.
Yes, I am.
Tell everybody how you always do it underwater sometimes. It works.
Man, I have this guy here, Douglas, who videotaped me doing it underwater, and I have some on my medias. Like, it took me I say 20 seconds to do that underwater.
Yeah.
And my best time to do that is 7 seconds.
That's amazing, man. So what do you have? You're on the autism spectrum, I believe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell everybody about your experiences at program, the SACE Osborne program.
So, during my time here, I did my goals, such as getting a driver's permit, and the other is food handler's card. And just about, I think it was Wednesday, my calendar is on my left. It was October 11th. I went on an interview and still waiting to hear from them whether I get a job at Goodwill or not.
I see. Good on you, man. I'm glad you achieved those goals. And what are your favorite memories from program?
Wow. I say cooking a lot of stuff, which was Thursdays.
Yeah, for sure. What was your favorite dish to make?
I would say rice bowls is one of them.
And didn't you say you also are designing a QT store with your favorite foods as options for restaurants?
Yes.
Are you hoping to achieve that? Is that the direction you're going to go when you get your food handling stuff worked out?
I say it will be a dream come true.
Yeah. What's your favorite type of food?
I like Chinese food and Mexican food. That's my main stuff to cook.
Yeah, for sure.
And
so what was your upbringing like?
What's that?
What was your upbringing like when you were younger?
My young days, I just did what I did. What I do nowadays, ever since I left the program, after accomplishing it is I still do my grilling.
I've been noticing that. You also got a tat, I believe.
It is right here in the sleeves.
Yep. And you're a workout fanatic and weightlifter?
Yep, I've been a former wrestler.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
Yep. And here's my tattoo, if anyone wants to see the buffalo.
That's nice.
And I have one right here of a checkered flag. So,
Are you sure it's not a Rubik's Cube?
yeah. Yeah.
I
So, to
really
tell
like
you,
it.
what was that?
I really like it.
Thank you. So, everybody that watches this, Zach has taken the role as an expert wise guy. Like, tell him some of the jokes you tell.
I know. It says, let's see if I can think of one. A word problem joke. Bob has 36 candy bars. He ate 29. What does he have now? He has diabetes.
What other ones do you have?
Let's see. A lot in my mind right now.
I have one very quick. A triangle, a right triangle in math, you know, that they have like a math problem triangle. Find X. Circle the X. Here it is. You know
Did you
that
mean
one?
did you mean the one with the problem is find X and there's a X instead of finding the X?
Yeah, yeah. You instead circle the X and say, here it is.
That,
Yeah. And what was your favorite outing at program?
I like the Croc Center, the one in Phoenix near the Sky Harbor Airport.
Yeah. Remember the basketball game we played it with the Sheridan boys?
We had a great time.
We did. Yeah, we ought to go back there soon on an evening one day. That'd be awesome. Yeah. So how would you rate your overall performance at and your experience at SACE?
I would say 100%. I would say
Awesome. Good to hear. So what are your hopes for the future?
becoming a cook.
And driving as well, I'm assuming?
Yes.
What kind of car are you hoping to drive?
A Tesla would be a good one.
Yeah, those are pricey.
How about this one? A Magic school bus.
I grew up with that show, did you?
Yeah,
Oh, don't forget about Thomas the Tank Engine.
I love that. Thomas.
Yeah, maybe you can get a train license after your driver's license and travel to the island of Sodor. Or possibly even drive Lightning McQueen one day.
Yeah, for sure. I loved bumper cars.
Oh, bumper cars are awesome. And go-karts, you know. You ever driven go-karts?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I was quite a speeder on that one.
I'm quite a speeder as well. When I was younger, I was always trying to win every race that I went to.
Which reminds me of pole position.
The what?
Pole position. That's what it reminds me of.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, for
A
sure.
lot of those Namco games.
Yeah. Do you play video games at all?
I play wrestling video games.
And you also watch it, right?
Yeah,
What
that's
are your...
every
I'm
that's
sorry, what?
every Monday or Friday thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. When do you think you'll estimate you'll get back into wrestling?
At this point, it is not this year.
Yeah, for sure. You have other goals to work on. So, yeah.
Correct.
So, how can your journey impact other people in the world?
I mean, like, they can follow my path if they like.
Yeah, you're a very inspirational person and chill and laid back. We need more people like you in this world, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all I have for now, but I thank you for coming on. Where can people find you?
Are you meaning social media stuff?
Yeah, social media.
Well, the only thing I have is Facebook and Instagram currently.
Ah, okay. You have the usernames or whatever?
Uh, I think it's for Instagram I think it's currently Zach underscore 2324. I think that is the right one.
I think so, yeah. And Facebook, it's just Zachery Christensen, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. So we thank you for coming on.
Of course. My honor. I'll do it again with you.
Awesome. So everybody, please check out Zachery on his Facebook and Instagram. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for the next episode of R&U.
Gee, that's all we have for Relentless and Unstoppable. So tune into the next episode to hear more amazing stories from amazing guests. This is Keith Scott from Sydney, Australia saying so long, and I'm smarter than the average bear. Gee.